ito po example. I didn't think
Hey
they would
guys,
do this.
Ellie here.
Tito Ray did
Namin
not do much like that
or
good
Uncle Mars.
dun sa ano niya, passerelle po niya. Hindi na siya
Wait,
pinasok
three.
kahit po si Tito Ray. Hindi na po siya pinasok.
That's him. Yeah. We're stranded. Like I said in the next other video.
Kailangan lang mga bata papasukin doon.
Yeah. Still on my basketball clothes. Still on my basketball clothes. But not my top.
Kung manalo kayo sa black yan.
Kung papayagan na. If not, I wanna.
Blue.
I don't know, just.
Pwede ka nga sa green. Pwede ka sa green. Walang player yung green eh.
Wait. Yeah, they have no players for some reason. Da, can you please go to Bavio? Da. Please, can we? Why? Oh, come on. Please. Mali. I've done it before on a Sunday, diba? Diba daw on a Sunday, diba da?
Simba kayo kaya?
Simba na kami kanina.
Diba da?
Ano mas pasok mo kaya?
We've done it before. Da, I've done it before.
Magbibigay sa ako.
Sige po.
Diyan muna kayo.
Parating naman sila kaya.
Da, please. Please.
Galing ng shoppingan din. Si Inday talaga parang kung makatitiil niya eh. Project yan.
Take and upload. Oh, ow! Oh. No, please. We've done it before.
Yes.
Pero okay na siya.
See you
Si Bulos mo na
next
kaya?
time.